Assalamu alaikum dear students. I am Mrs. Farah Imran and we write the book Math Wise 7 Unit 4 Exponents and Exercise 4a. Now we start the question number 3. Find the values of part A, that is 8 plus 64 under root. Solution: 8 plus 64 under root is equal to 8 plus 8 square whole under root. How 64 become 8 square? Look at here. When we factorize the 64, we have two factors, 8 and 8. Look at 8 multiplied by 8, we have 64. Here 8 is 2 times, so it's become 8 square. 8 square is equal to 64. So 8 plus under root 64 become is equal to 8 plus under root 8 square. 64 become 8 square whole under root. Okay. Now is equal to 8 plus under root 8 square. Now square root and square both are cancelled to each other because the value of under root is 1 over 2. Okay. Now the under root or square root both are same thing. Under root or square root are cancelled with the square of the 8. Now we have the answer of that part is equal to 8 plus 8 is equal to 16. Now the part number B is 5 raised power minus 1 multiply 5 raised power minus 2 whole square root or under root. I am telling you about that square root and under root are both are same thing. Okay, and the under root or square root have the value is 1 over 2. Okay, now we start the solution of that question. Solution is equal to 5 raised power minus 1 multiply 5 raised power minus 2 whole under root or square root is equal to 5 raised power minus 1 multiply 5 raised power minus 2 whole power is 1 over 2 because the under root or square root have the value is 1 over 2. This is the 1 over 2 is the value of square root or under root. Okay. Now is equal to 5 raised power minus 1 multiply 5 raised power minus 2 over 2 because this power and this power are multiplied to each other by the power law. Okay, so this multiply by this, so our answer is become minus 2 over 2. Okay, now is equal to 5 raised power minus 1 multiply 5 raised power minus 2 over 2. These two are cancelled to each other. We have 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2. Okay, now is equal to 5 raised power minus 1 multiply 5 raised power minus 1 because this 2 and this 2 are cancelled to each other. Then we have the answer is minus 1. Look at here, minus 1. Again you look at it, look at the base. Both the terms have the same base, so their powers are add to each other is equal to 5 raised power minus 1 plus minus 1 because these two terms has minus 1 powers. Look at here, minus 1 and minus 1, and the plus is the plus कहाँ से है, plus from लॉ एक्सपोनेंट लॉ. ठीक है, प्रोडक्ट लॉ जो है उसकी तरफ से आया है. ठीक है, ये बिकॉज बेस आर सेम, सो दिस पावर्स आर एड टू ईच अदर, So these parts are add. Now is equal to 5 raised power minus 1 minus 1, because when we open these brackets, then minus 1 and plus minus become minus 1. Okay, so we have is equal to 5 raised power minus 2, because minus 1 and minus 1 when we add, then we have its answer is minus 2. 5 raised power minus 2. Now we use here product law of exponent, because minus 2 we use this law because this is a minus 2 power, so it's become plus 2 by using the exponent law, is equal to 1 over 5 raised power 2. ये जो माइनस आपके पास आ रहा है इसके पावर में माइनस 2, 5 रेस माइनस 2, इसको पॉजिटिव करने के लिए हम एक्सपोनेंट लॉ यूज़ करेंगे. इसको हम फ्रैक्शन में जब लेके जाएंगे तो ये जो आपके पास माइनस है ये डिनोमिनेटर में जाके 5 रेस पावर प्लस 2 बन जाएगा. ठीक है. नाउ इज इक्वल टू 1 over 25. हाउ इट्स बिकम 1 over 25? बिकॉज 5 रेस पावर 2 एंड इट्स मीन 5 multiplied by 5 we have 25. Now part C, 25 whole square root plus 5 divided by 5. Solution is equal to 5 whole square root plus 5 divided by 5 is equal to 5 square whole square root. Square and the value of the square root are cancelled to each other. Okay, plus 5 divided by this 5 and this 5, denominator has 5. Now what the answer is equal to 5 plus 5, because this under root and this power are cancelled to each other, so we have its answer is 5. Okay, now this 5 is from this and this 5 is from this. 5 plus 5 divided by 5 is equal to this 5 and this 5 are add to each other, so 5 and 5 when we add this we have the 10 divided by 5. This is 5 denominator and this is 5 of the denominator, so 10 by 5. Now we cancel it. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, so is equal to 2. We have the answer 2. Now part D, 27 whole under root index 3. इसको हम क्या पढ़ेंगे? 27 whole under root index 3 plus 81 under root divided by 3 raised power minus 1. अच्छा, यहाँ पे आप एक देखें इसकी फॉर्मेशन. वैसे तो हमें पता है कि अंडर रूट या स्क्वायर रूट की वैल्यू क्या होती है 1/2, लेकिन जब इंडेक्स में 3 आ जाए तो उस वक्त अंडर रूट की वैल्यू क्या हो जाएगी 1/3. इंडेक्स में जो यहाँ पे हमारे पास क्या है 3 है, तो 1/3 इंडेक्स की वैल्यू इसकी अंडर रूट की वैल्यू हो जाएगी. अगर यहाँ इंडेक्स में 4 होता तो हमारे पास ये क्या बन जाता 1/4. अगर यहाँ पे 5 लिखा होता तो हमारे पास इसकी वैल्यू क्या होती है अंडर रूट की वैल्यू 1/5. और जब कुछ नहीं होता तो हमारे पास अंडर रूट की वैल्यू क्या होती है 1/2. लेकिन यहाँ पे हमारे पास क्या लिखा हुआ है 3 लिखा हुआ है, सो इट्स अंडर रूट, so the value of the under root is 1/3. Okay, now look at here, the solution of this part is equal to 27 whole under root index 3 plus 81 under root divided by 3 raised power minus 1 is equal to 3 raised power 3 whole power 1/3, because the under root index 3 has the value 1/3 and 27 become 3 raised power 3. How it's become? Look at the rough work. Look at 27 have 3 factors, 3, 3, 3. It's mean 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 we have 27. It's mean 3 raised power 3 is equal to 27. Now is equal to 3 raised power 3 whole raised power 1/3 plus 81 also has the factor of 9 It's mean, look at the in rough work. Look at here, 81 has two factor, 9 and 9. 9 multiplied by 9 we have 81. 9 square become is equal to 81. So under root 81 has 9 square whole under root. Again look at the question, is equal to 3 raised power 3 whole under root 1 over 3 plus 9 raised power 2 whole square whole under root divided by 3 raised power minus 1 is equal to 3 raised power 3 whole 1 over 3. These values are cancelled to each other, plus 9 square whole square root. Square root and square also cancel to each other, divided by 3 raised power minus 1 is equal to, what we have the answer, 3 and 1 over 3 are cancelled to each other, we have only 3. Look at here, 3 plus and plus, and this square root and square are cancelled to each other, and we have the 9 and divided by 3 raised power minus 1. Now this 3 raised power minus 1 become 3 raised power plus 1. Why? Here we use the law of power law of exponent. ठीक है, अब क्या है ये, यहाँ पे इसकी पावर क्या थी, -1. ऊपर जाके इसकी वैल्यू क्या हो गई, +1, जो हमें लिखने की ज़रूरत नहीं होती क्योंकि हमें ऑलरेडी अंडरस्टूड होता है कि जिसके ऊपर कोई वैल्यू नहीं होती है उसके ऊपर पावर कितनी होती है, +1. सो 3 हैज़ +1 आंसर, एंड 3 + 3 ब्रैकेट में आप लिखेंगे इसको 3 + 3. सो 3 + 3 become 12, and this 3 multiplied by 3, multiplied by 12. So 12 multiplied by 3 we have the answer 36.